Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen and I am here to unstuff my mini savings and allocate it into my long-term savings, including my 100 envelope savings challenges, because I have two of those. So guys, we're going to get right into it because I do not want the video to be super long. So let's go ahead and get started. I want to make sure that we can see everything. Okay, sounds good. Okay guys, so the very first challenge is actually my challenge. It's a color and save. And let's see how much I saved. And this is a freebie actually, and I will link everyone's challenge in the description. So we saved 40, 50, 65, $73 in my challenge. Yay. And guys, we all know that every time I complete any challenges, $1 go into the completed challenge box. Yay. Okay guys, the next challenge is from the Mrs. Champion. Hey girl. And so we saved 20, 40, 60, 75, $84. So super yay. And of course guys, we're gonna add $1 to the completed box. Our next challenge is from Karen over at the Frugal Shop, and we save 50, 60, 75, $80. So yay. And next is Save with Miss Rose. Super cute challenges, guys. So we save 20, 30, 35, 40, $45. And we're gonna add $1 into our box. Okay, guys, again, the Mrs. Champion. I love her challenges, super cute. Thank you very much. And I actually made each heart $3. So we have 50, 55, $59. Yay. And this challenge is from Saved Money Saves You. Super cute. And we saved 20, 35, and $36. So, yay. Okay, Vicky thinks. PT dreams are the sweetest dreams. Yay. The 25, 30, 35, $40. So we saved $40 there. And here we have Wild Everest from Etsy. And I believe this was a freebie from something that I purchased. And we saved 15, 20, $24. We saved $15 from Rock's Budgets. 5, 10, 15, and 20. I think I said we saved 15. No, we saved 20. I am going to put the 20 here and put a 1 here, because ultimately it's going to my long term. So that was fine to do. Okay, this challenge is from Forming New Habits. It's an April's challenge. He has risen and $22 we saved here. And this challenge, super cute, is from Neem's Budget, and we saved $32. And then finally, guys, another save with Rose, and we saved $10 here. I'm gonna add $1 here. Okay, let me go ahead and put that to the side. Yay! Yay for the completed challenges, guys. So I want to make sure that I put these up for before I stuff the next round. Now, what I want to do now is go right into my 2 100 envelope savings challenges, guys. And I'm going to use this money to stuff my 100 envelope savings challenges and my long-term savings. Okay, so I'm just going to go with it. I'm at 49 with this challenge here. Uh-oh. 49. So 20, 45, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So guys, I'm gonna kind of wing it here. I'm not sure exactly what I'm stuffing, but it is all long term. So it's for the good of the group. Okay. And I just started this challenge this year. Well, actually both of them. So I would like to finish them simultaneously. Guys, let me color in the number 49. So now I am moving into the 50s. Yay, that's very encouraging. So I am halfway as far as envelopes. I am halfway there. And then the other 100 envelope challenge, I am at number 91. So I finished the 90s here. Yay. Let's go 50, 70, 90, and 1. Uh-oh. There we go. All right, guys. So I'm going to bring out my long-term savings binder and see what we can complete there. I'm going to move this slightly to the side there. And the very first challenge is Nita, from Nita over at the Almost Organized Owl. And bust out a calculator because I would like to complete the first 2 rows. Okay. And I think I'm going to use the pink. So let's see here, 20 plus 10, 26 plus 15, 9 and 23, 20 and 24 is 147. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 81. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Oh, shoot. Okay, that's 1. 10, 20, 30, 45, and 47. Uh-oh. So guys, I'm gonna come back and color all of these in so we can move on to our next. So I'm gonna go ahead and stuff this in here. Yay. Our next challenge is one of my challenges, and it is a soft life challenge. Let me make sure we can see, guys. Okay. And each circle is $10. So I am going to add $20. Uh-oh. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So I'm gonna add $20 there. 10 and 20. So guys, let's just see how far I can get in this book before I am out of money for today. I'm gonna add that in there. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay. So the next challenge is my 12-month savings. I've completed January, February, March, and guys, let's go ahead and get started for April. And I am going to, let's see if I could do the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times $15 is $105. Let's see here. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, and 5. Okay, yay. Got the first row finished at least. I'm going to stuff this here. All right, guys. So the next challenge is my soft life again. All right. And this is January, February, March, and April. And each icon is worth $10 each. So I am going to try to do $40. 10, 20, 30, 35, $40. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. And then, guys, we have my birthday savings. So my birthday is in January, but I am actually saving now for January for my birthday. And I am going to add, let's see what we have. 10, 20, 35. $50 to my birthday savings. Yay, for the birthday girl. Okay, 10, 20, 35, 40, $50. And here's a 50 right there. And that's here. I may need to do a condensing soon. Okay, guys, let's see what we have. $11. Interesting. Well, I am going to see if I could, oh, wait a minute. What about There's an 11 there. Or guys, I do have some scratch offs. Guys, I think that I am going to take a little risk here. Yep. Audrey's Budgets. Let's see if we can scratch off 11 or less. Guys, if I end up with an IOU, it will be a little crazy, okay? But I feel like because it's only $45, but then here are low numbers too. But guys, we're gonna take a chance, all right? Yay, there's a 5. Okay. So there's a 5 there. All right, so we're gonna put that back in there. And then, because these are some lower numbers here, and this is Small Bites Budget. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have $6. So guys, let's see. $4. Yay! Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's enough risk for now. Okay. So I do know what I am going to do with the last $2 whenever I have just some single dollars floating around. I put it in here. Oh, excuse me. Each heart is worth $1. So I'm going to add those right in here. We have $2 here. So, yeah, guys. And I have a spot for it as well. All right, guys. Yay. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I had a good time. So I was able to unstuff and then stuff my long-term savings and 2 of my 100 envelope savings challenges. So yay. I will link all of the challenges in my description, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye.